In this video, I will be sharing with you 6 free resources from where you can learn Android development, Flutter development, game development, web development, machine learning, and some advice or my views as to what you should do before you go into these fields if you are completely new to programming in general. So I will be sharing resources for that too. I will also share info about these fields along with the salary you can make in those fields in India. So make sure to watch this video till the end.
Hi, my name is Devo Sajiman and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and an upcoming software engineer at one of the biggest companies in India. And on this channel, I create videos related to web development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and other informative videos for students and working professionals in tech. So if you are interested in these topics, make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Android development with Kotlin. Its future scope is promising, with Google officially supporting Kotlin as first-class language for Android development. Complexity of Android development can be daunting for beginners. Kotlin's simplicity helps streamline the process. Its advantages include enhanced productivity, reduced boilerplate code, and improved readability. Additionally, Kotlin's seamless integration with popular development tools makes it a developer-friendly choice. However, a potential disadvantage of Kotlin is its learning curve, especially for those without prior programming experience. Despite this, the vast amount of resources available, including comprehensive documentation and supportive community, makes it easier for beginners to get started in Android development with Kotlin. In this full Kotlin course, you will learn the most popular programming language on Android and start building your own apps. He teaches everything, even basics like variables, operators, functions, loops, arrays, lists, maps, etc. with animations. After learning basics of Android development from this course, you will have knowledge to explore internet and go from basics to intermediate developer by practicing and developing more apps. Salary range of entry-level Android developer is around 4 to 5 lakhs per year as per Ambition Box and Glassdoor, but it varies a lot from company to company and your experience. For some people, it also goes 10 to 15 lakhs per year as an entry-level Android developer if your company is Android product based. I will also link down paid courses links which cost around 500 rupees, that is less than $10. If you want to buy courses from Udemy, from where I learned game development and web development, you can buy that too. Link will be in the description. Flutter development. Flutter development is another rapidly growing field in mobile app development. Flutter, a cross-platform framework developed by Google, enables developers to build beautiful and high-performance mobile applications for both Android and iOS using a single code base. However, Flutter does have some limitations. Its ecosystem is still maturing with fewer third-party libraries and resources compared to more established frameworks. Additionally, as Flutter is relatively new, finding experienced Flutter developer might be more challenging, and you can use this supply and demand scene to get paid more. For beginners, Flutter can be both easy and challenging. Its simplicity, comprehensive documentation, and supportive community makes it accessible for newcomers. However, familiarity with Dart and reactive programming may require some learning. In this 37-hour-long course, instructor goes from basics of Dart programming language such as control statements, classes, objects, advanced stuff such as CRUD, block, routing, etc. After going through this course, you will be pretty confident with Flutter development, and after that you can create some more apps and release them on iOS App Store and Google Play Store to add it to your portfolio. Average salary of entry-level Flutter developer according to Ambition Box and Glassdoor is around 4 to 5 lakhs, but this again changes a lot from company to company, such as Google giving 10 lakhs per year, whereas Publicis Sapient is giving 13.2 lakhs per year. Unity game development for beginners. Game development is an exciting dynamic field that offers immense possibility for creative individuals. There are various tools and frameworks available for game development, each with its own advantages and complexities. Unity, a popular game development engine, supports multiple programming languages including C# and JavaScript. It provides a user-friendly interface and a vast library of assets and resources, making it accessible for beginners. Unity's future scope is promising, with a large and active community constantly developing new features and sharing knowledge. I also used to develop games with Unity and C#. Unreal Engine, another widely used game development platform, utilizes its own scripting language called Blueprint or C++. It offers stunning graphics and realistic physics simulation, making it a preferred choice for advanced game development. Unreal Engine also has thriving community and promising future with continuous updates and improvements. On the downside, game development can be resource intensive, requiring expertise in multiple areas such as programming, designing, and art. Debugging and optimizing game performance can be also challenging. As someone who has done game development before, I can say that for beginners, game development can be both exciting and overwhelming. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. However, the wealth of learning resources, online tutorials, and supportive communities makes it possible for beginners to enter the field and gradually develop their skills. This tutorial covers everything installing Unity to writing your first ever line of programming code to creating UI to building an executable game file you can share with your friends, and no prior experience is needed. Average salary of game developer in India according to Ambition Box and Glassdoor is around 4.2 to 5.5 lakhs, but this also varies a lot from company to company, such as Byju's is giving 8.5 lakhs to Octro giving 10 lakhs along with Ubisoft giving 8 lakhs, so it varies a lot. Web development. Web development is a rapidly evolving field with a broad range of technologies and frameworks. It involves the creation and maintenance of websites and web applications that are accessible through the internet. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js have gained popularity for building dynamic and interactive web applications. Additionally, the availability of fast resources, tutorials, and open source libraries simplifies the development process. For beginners, web development can be both easy to get started with and challenging to master. Basic web development concepts can be grasped relatively quickly, and there are numerous online tutorials and resources available. However, as project becomes more complex, proficiency in specific framework and advanced concepts such as server-side programming and database integration may be required. This month's Stack Full tutorial and project provides a complete all-in-one course with 8 hours of code and instructions to level up your web development skills. Think of this month's Stack Full tutorial course as a full-stack video textbook with 13 clearly defined chapters, and if you are new, then instructor also provides resources which you can use as a beginner. Average salary of full stack web developer is around 5.3 lakhs to 6.5 lakhs per year according to Glassdoor and Ambition Box, but this varies a lot from company to company. Example, Deloitte Verizon is paying 10 lakhs to other companies also paying around 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. Machine learning. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field that focuses on developing algorithms and models capable of learning from data and making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It has a wide range of applications including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation system, and more. Python is the most commonly used programming language for machine learning thanks to its extensive libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These tools provide a high-level interface and efficient computation for building and training machine learning models. The future scope of machine learning is incredibly promising. Machine learning can be complex due to the mathematical and statistical concepts involved, as well as the need for domain knowledge and feature engineering. Advantages of machine learning include its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data, automate tasks, make accurate predictions, and valuable insight. It enables business to optimize processes, improve decision making, and enhance customer experience. For beginners, machine learning can be challenging due to its multidisciplinary nature. Strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming are necessary. However, there are numerous online courses, tutorials, and resources available to help beginners to get started and gradually progress in the field. This free course is designed to help you build a solid foundation in machine learning, focusing on core concepts and in-depth explanation of regression analysis, which is often overlooked in other courses. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to strengthen your understanding of machine learning, this course is for you. This course teaches you theory, practical, along with the building project. Average salary according to those two sites is around 6.2 to 8.4 lakhs per annum, and some companies even offering between 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. Intro to Programming and Computer Science. In this course, you will learn basics of computer programming and computer science. The concepts you learn apply to any and all programming languages and will be good base onto which you can build your skills. This video is meant for those who are interested in computer science and programming but have no idea where to start and have little to no background information on coding. So if you are completely new to programming, I suggest you to go and take a look at basics and then choose a field to get into. Otherwise, you won't understand what is happening inside whenever you are writing something. I hope these resources will be useful to you. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. After learning the basics, you will advance to intermediate by building projects. So here is the video which lists out some of the cool projects which you can make and learn as a web developer. I have also created videos on creating a WhatsApp chatbot and other applications using ChatGPT, Merge Stack projects, get Udemy courses for free, videos, and many other informative videos which you can watch next, or you may browse through my YouTube channel and get more value adding content by